Starting with a green nail, let's place 3 little white circles. Now, drag soft white lines outwards to make them look like fruit slices. Which fruit do you think it is? Time to shade. I'm adding a darker green, fading lighter towards the center. Let's brighten the white lines and add some juicy details. Don't forget to drop a like if you love fruity nails. Around the edge, I'm painting a deep green rim just like a lime peel. Adding more fresh green shades inside to make it pop. A few tiny white veins for that realistic juicy vibe. Now sealing everything with a shiny top coat. For the final touch, let's add some water droplets so fresh and yummy. Would you wear this fruity nail for summer? Comments below. Starting on a white nail, let's outline a cute strawberry with leaves. Now I'm shading with darker red for the berry and deep green for the leaves. A touch of white shell to bring out the leaf details. Time for the seeds, adding little black dots. On top of each black seed, I am placing tiny white dots for a glossy shine. Here comes the fun part. Let's paint some dripping chocolate at the bottom. Don't forget to hit like if you love strawberry. For the background, I'm blending teal colors with top coat for a dreamy vibe. Adding a few tiny dots around to make it even cuter. Now sealing everything with a shiny top coat so glossy. Finally, I'm applying rubber top just on the chocolate to make it pop and look yummy. Would you try this sweet design? Comments below. On a black nail, I'm drawing 2 soft orange circles. Now filling them with glittery orange gel. Hello oranges! Adding some white branches and cute little leaves. Painting the leaves with a candy green shade. Don't forget forget to like if you love fruity nails. Inside one circle, I'm drawing white lines to make it a half orange. A touch of candy yellow gel to make the oranges sparkle. Shading the leaves with a darker green for depth. Adding a bit more white detail so the leaves look fresh. Now the fun part. Let's paint dripping orange juice with glitter gel. Adding orange and yellow candy gels to make it look real and juicy. And finally, sealing everything with a shiny top coat. Would you wear this zesty orange design? Comment below. On a white nail, I am painting a cute kiwi slice. Layering darker and lighter green shades for a juicy look. Now outlining the outer edge in brown, just like kiwi peel. Adding shading with darker green for depth. With liner brush, I'm adding fine green and white streaks to make it realistic. Time for seeds. A few tiny black dots plus more white details, then some bigger seeds too. Don't forget to hit like if you love fruity nails. Using black spider gel, I'm adding curved line following the kiwi's shape. For extra fun, I'm dotting around the nail with random little spots. Finally, sealing it all with a glossy top coat so fresh and yummy. Would you rock kiwi nails this summer? Comment below. On a white nail, I create a soft gray ombre background. Now I'm drawing a simple apple shape with white gel, but don't cure it yet. Sprinkling shimmer powder on top and curing. Now we've got a velvet apple base. Time to color. I'm blending red and yellow shades to bring the apple to life. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Outlining the apple with black gel, then adding a tiny stem and leaf. Shading the top of the apple with yellow for that juicy glow. Painting the leaf in shiny metallic gold. Under the apple, I'm adding a soft gray shadow with top coat mix. Before curing, I'm placing gold foil on top and crushing it for a sparkle. Don't forget to like if you love shiny nails. Finally, sealing everything with a glossy top coat and done. Would you try this golden apple nail? Comment below. On a white nail, I'm drawing 3 little blue circles. it already? Filling them in to make cute blueberries. Adding dark blue shading so they look more real. Tiny black dots in the center with a soft white outline. Highlighting with lighter blue and a touch of white for that first juicy glow. Now painting branches and leaves in green. Don't forget to hit like if you love fruity nails. Shading the leaves with a darker green to add depth. Sealing everything with a shiny top coat. And finally, a few water droplets with rubber top. Fresh blueberries ready to wear. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.